Indian Economy Strategies of 5-Year Plan in India, done by S. Neha, 1B Kamsi, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. 5-Year Plan 5-year plans are centralized and integrated national economic programs. Joseph Stalin implemented the first 5-year plan in the Soviet Union in 1928. India launched its first 5-year plan in 1951, immediately after independence, under the socialist influence of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Harrod-Domar strategy. The first 5-year plan was based on this strategy, emphasized the role of capital accumulation dual character, which on the one hand increases the national income and on the other hand increase the production capacity. According to this growth model, the rate of economic growth in an economy is dependent on the level of savings and capital output ratio. Thus, rate of growth equal to savings divided capital output ratio. Here, the capital output ratio defined as change in capital divided by change in output measures the productivity of investment that takes place. Nehru-Mahalan Nobla strategy. This strategy was based on the two-sector model. The two is consumer goods sector and capital goods sector. The strategy emphasized the investment in heavy industry to achieve industrialization for rapid economic development. It was based on the Russian experience. The objective was to become self-reliant and overcome capital constraints. The strategy was adopted in the second 5-year plan and with minor modification up to fifth plan. It was a long-term strategy. The Mahalan-Nobi's strategy called for larger role for public sector because of two reasons. First one is private sector was not matured enough to undertake the responsibility. Second one is it was feared that opening industries to private sector could lead concentration of wealth in private hands. Gandhian strategy. It was enunciated by Acharya Sriman Narayan Agarwal in this Gandhian plan in 1944. The basic objective of the Gandhian model is to raise the material as well as cultural level of the masses so as to provide a basic standard of life. It laid emphasis on scientific development of agriculture and rapid growth of cottage and village industries. Moreover, Gandhian strategy emphasized on employment oriented planning rather than production oriented planning of Nehru. LPG strategy. Liberalization, privatization, and globalization strategy of planning was introduced by the Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh under Narasimha Rao government. The strategy ended the license permit Raj and opened the hitherto areas reserved for the public sector to private sector. It allowed for foreign direct investment and followed an export promotion policy to boost economic growth. In all, it changed the nature of planning from centralized to indicative, wherein planning was to play a facilitating role. It also referred to as planning by inducement as against imperative planning. Thank you.